how you can create NFTs using ChatGPT AI. If you want to create your own NFT collections, you could just create it by using the ChatGPT. First of all, you have to go on the ChatGPT, and you must need a idea and reference about you. Stripe cat. It should be 2D and make it cartoonic. The base character should be blur free and no trains on it. Make the colors like make the colors like very sharp and deep, and I need a full body cat base image. So now I will tell them to write a prompt for my NFT's base image. So first of all, you need a prompt that you can use to generate it. So keep in mind, if you are going to generate anything from the ChatGPT or any AI, then you can first ask the ChatGPT to write a pro level prompt for you. When you have a professional level prompt, then you can easily create a world class, create a professional NFT. I think if you want to create, then you must need a ChatGPT prompt. So here the ChatGPT have written a prompt for us that we will use to generate a that we will use to generate a GPT, then it will create a perfect art for you. I have just typed next, and let's see what it will generate for us. I hope that it will generate a perfect image, perfect NFT for us, using the same base image, using the same character. Even that, if you want to change the backgrounds, you can also write it in the backgrounds colors. Like, you can ask them to create a 10 different type of the backgrounds. After that, it will automatically created NFTs using different type of the backgrounds. So because it's going to add a different type of the traits, that's why it's taking some time. So you can check that's 1 2 3 4. It have created like different type of the variations of our NFT. Now we will tell them, please generate a 1 by 1. So now it will create the our NFT. Now it will generate a 1 by 1 NFT. So now you can see that it's start creating the image. As it will create a first image, then you just need to type the next button. As you will type the next button, and it will start creating our NFTs. So because it will it's going to add a different type of the traits on it, that's why it's taking some time. So here we can wait just few seconds. I hope that the next generation will be perfect. Yes, that's a very perfect image. You can see that it's adding a pixel glasses on it. Now you will see. Now the ChatGPT has a information about our NFTs, and now it's working. It's trained model. Like, this chat is a trained model. Now it's working perfectly. Now the second image has been the ChatGPT has been generated our second image, and I hope that the second image will be a perfectly aligned NFT. And you can also tell that if you want to generate a rare image, if you want to generate a common, if you want to generate a mythic, you can easily ask them, and it will the chat. Believe me, ChatGPT is a fantastic artist. No, look at this. This is very fantastic. Aligned NFT, and the glasses looks like natural and rare. So now I will ask them to add a add on is scared and gen next. So let's see that what type of image, what type of the NFT this will create for us. So it's going to generate another NFTs. So now the model has been, you can say that model has been perfectly trained. Now just we need to click, and just we need to write our next button, and next button, it will start creating it. Now after the creating of this image, I will tell you how you can create a metadata, how you will create a metadata for your NFTs. So you can see that it have been, the ChatGPT has been added a perfect level, perfect like head cap on it. You can say that this is a like bunny hat. So beside this, if you want to add like a all the traits together, you can write them right on the ChatGPT, like add hat, glasses, and outfit together. So now I will ask them to, now please write the metadata of the above image. So after writing the metadata, it will give us a JSON file. So this is a JSON file that you can just copy and paste in the JSON files. So this is the way you can create your own perfect NFT collection. So here are the NFTs that I have generated. Now you can choose any type of the you can you can generate any type of the art. You can generate any type of the base image. So in this way, you can generate world class level NFTs with base image. If you don't have a time to do that, if you want to if you have an idea and to want to hire me and my I have a small NFTs agency. If you want to hire me and my team, we can also generate a NFTs collection, a pro level NFTs collection like this. If you want to get a prompt, this prompt from me, you can also contact me, and the contact information in the below in the description. Thanks for watching. If you want to build something without learning the skills, if you want to build something without any code, then you can subscribe me. Thanks again.